Welcome, math lover, to this next video of our channel. This is a video for the series 100 problems from around the world, and today we have selected the Belgium Math Olympiad of 2025 problem from their final national stage. Bear in mind that this problem is somehow particular because it is a trigonometry problem, and we do not find very often trigonometry problems from national Olympiads around the world. The problem states, let x be an angle between 0 and 90 degrees, such that sinus of x to the fourth divided by 9 plus cosinus of x to the fourth divided by 16 is equal to 1 divided by 25. We are asked to find the tangent of x. If you have any idea how to solve this problem, please let me know in the comments. If not, let's see one solution right away together. So we have covered the solution in order to go through it step by step together. As always, we rewrite the condition of the problem from x, which is an angle between 0 and 90 degrees. I'm sorry for the lapses over here. It should be 90 degrees, such that it fulfills this condition over here, and we are asked to find the tangent of x. Now, of course, the first thing that we might do in the given equation is to furtherly develop it and to see what we could get out of it. So we multiply both sides of the given equation with 25, and we will have that 25 which multiplies the sinus of x to the fourth divided by 9 plus cosinus of x to the fourth divided by 16 is equal to 1. Now, if we express 25 as 9 plus 16 in order to have, let's say, the same numbers with divisors over here, we will get that 16 times sinus x to the fourth divided by 9 plus 9 times cosinus of x to the fourth divided by 16 plus sinus of x to the fourth plus cosinus of x to the fourth is equal to 1. So the given equation takes this other form over here. Now, in order to simplify matters in this given equation, we will use the trigonometry identity, or namely that sinus of x to the squared plus cosinus of x squared is equal to 1, but we will square both sides of this identity because it might come much more handy in order to, let's say, to have some better solution to this equation over here. So the equation number 1 can be furtherly transformed into this new form, which on the right hand side we express 1 as equal to sinus x squared plus cosinus x squared all squared. Now, by doing, let's say, the simple calculations on both sides, we will be able to simplify sinus x to the fourth plus cosinus x to the fourth on both sides, and on the left hand side we will be left with this expression, and on the right hand side we will be left with 2 times sinus of x squared times cosinus x squared. So in the new form of the given equation, which we have labeled as form number 2, we will try to complete the squares. Let's say we'll take everything on the left hand side and we will try to complete a square in order to see if we can get another form of the equation. So the given equation over here, if we take the right hand side to the left hand side, can be furtherly transformed as this term is equal to 4 sinus x squared divided by 3 all squared. This term over here is equal to 3 cosinus x squared divided by 4 all squared minus 2 sinus x squared times cosinus x squared, which is equal to 0. Now we see that we have a full difference of squares on the left hand side, and we can write it as 4 sinus x squared divided by 3 minus 3 cosinus x squared divided by 4 all squared is equal to 0. Now this is the final form of the equation, given equation, into the final form labeled as form 3. And from this form we can deduct that let's say by taking the square root of both sides, we will have that 4 sinus x squared divided by 3 is equal to 3 cosinus x squared divided by 4, or by taking the cosinus on the left hand side and the number 3 on the right hand side, we will get that sinus x squared divided by cosinus x squared is equal to 9 divided by 16, or that tangent x squared is equal to 9 divided by 16, or that finally tangent x is equal to 3 divided by 4. The final answer is that let's say what the problem was requiring is that tangent x is equal to 3 divided by 4. Note that from this equation over here we could also deduct that tangent x is equal to minus 3 divided by 4, but this value is not accepted because we are given that the angle x is between 0 and 90 degrees. So both sinus x and cosinus x are positive in this interval. So their let's say the ratio will also be positive, and the only acceptable answer is tangent x equal to 3 divided by 4. If you like the solution to this problem, please support us by a like and subscribe. Thank you for your time and see you on our next uploads. Goodbye.